Good morning. What is today? The 19th, November 19th, Wednesday. Um, yeah, not a good sales day yesterday. You can see my progression. Boop, 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 boop. Yesterday was $70 and 18 today. Um, yeah. Oh, it's not gonna be a very long show. Uh, I did stop all promotions based, because eBay is cash grab here with their new uh, promoted policy. So I stopped all of my promotions. I had like 12 or 18 campaigns that had been open, not open. About half of them were already closed, but 8 were running, and it was promotions anywhere between 5 to 1. Something had 20%. I don't know what that was. So I just ended them all. Only I think it was only 3,000 or 30,000, 35,000 of my items had promoted listings or were promoted listings. So 9,000 and something were not. And I think those are the cards that have been newly listed since like May. So I will probably go back in and turn some promotions on, or promote them all at a much lower rate. But I'm never going to do that. Is it the dynamic one, the one that changes? Uh, the other day when I was listing something, the recommended promotion rate was 21%, and it was like a $3 postcard. Yeah. So anyway, I'm trying to stretch this video out, but yeah, I just listed these ones the other day, so that helped with the sales. Both sold pretty much immediately. This one needs a top loader, but so yeah, I turned them off. So I turned the 35,000 promotions off, or you know what I mean. I'm tired. I'm not feeling 100%. Something's going on. I need to get rid of it. So I've been popping the zinc, and I don't want to be sick in York. Nothing sucks more than being sick at York. So anyway, it's not gonna be a long show today. My my eBay auction winnings should be here today. Priority mail took, if it shows up today, it'll be a week. It was shipped a week ago from Colorado. That gives you an indication. I mean, that used to be 2-3 days max. Now it's a week. But if those show up today, and if I feel up to it, either today or tomorrow, I'll do some sort. I'll try to do a live. I don't know how. My thought is to open it like here on camera, and then my my whatnot sales show area is right over there. So maybe I'll have to do something like share my show to my iPhone and kind of flip through them. Still noodling that through. But I had a whatnot show last night, so that saved my sales day. Excuse me. I did 285, something like that, 280 something, for a 20-minute raid train show. I had 8 lots, and some went lower than I expected. Some, yeah, pretty much they all went lower than I expected. I had a lot of 119 real photos of people. Some pretty nice looking ones. Probably about 20 plus of them had names or information on the back. So I kind of expected those to get a little higher. 150 nice motels for 74. So it's like 50 cents a card, something like that. 50, yeah, about 50 cents a card. So what am I doing? So anywho, yeah, I think promoted. I may just wait and see. I have a whole bunch of whatnot shows coming up, so I think that will, that'll help me with making my nut for the month. The part of me wants to kind of wait and see what kind of a month I would have. Well, rest of the month anyway. To see how the sales will be without any promoted listings. But I don't know. It's an experiment. But I know my overnight, and I went to bed pretty early. I went to bed at like 10. No, 9, almost 9:30, 10, somewhere in there. And woke up this morning to 8. I could send offers on 8 listings, which that's usually a little low for overnight. Usually it's about 20. Did that have something, or just no one was looking at postcards? I don't know. Wyoming. Oh, I changed the blue on this one. Still, this is 12 years old at least, maybe longer. I used that maroon background for the longest time. And then I had used blue. And then I had used, I tried that bright green one time. Oh, that was a mistake. And I've tried red. Back when someone said, "Oh, you got to use red because that'll, psychologically, red means that they need it and they're gonna miss out on it," or some happy horse shit like that. There it is. Probably Wyoming. Is there any good stuff in here? Yeah, it's Wyoming. No offense against Wyoming, but I don't sell a lot from Wyoming. I'm just seeing, man, there's some old stuff in here. Wow. Hope it's still listed. So, what's your thoughts on this promotion? You getting rid of him? Anybody gonna do the pay-per-click? I can't. Pay-per-click for postcards just ain't gonna work. I mean, it could, but you're not gonna make anything. I watched some video yesterday. Some guy was talking about, obviously if you're in competition with someone, your competitor is going to just click on your shit to just drive down the amount of money you're going to get, because you're going to pay it all out in ad fees. Or, doing research if you're comping and you're looking at cards. Yeah. So, wow, that's it. That's all I got. Leave this up. I already packed my whatnot. I packed that right after the show last night. So that's this. I'm gonna refresh. I don't expect anything to have sold in the last 3, 4, 5 minutes. That looks like it's it. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully that stuff shows up. I got some other stuff to do today. I was working in a garage last night. Coming up, York is this weekend. I'll be up there bright and early Friday morning, stay overnight, come back sometime Saturday. I do have a Whatnot show scheduled for Saturday night. That will probably, if I'm up to it, that could be canceled. If I do it, it may be a garage fill a flat rate box. Because yesterday when I was cleaning the garage, I came across 8, 10 boxes. Some of my old show stock. It's a lot of Pennsylvania. It's like sorted Pennsylvania. Might be Virginia out there, Maryland, I think. It's going. And a whole bunch of Continentals. So I gotta fill some flat rate boxes of Continental. So if I do it, it'll be a garage show, fill a flat rate box just to blow out some stuff. So that's it. Under 10 minutes. Hope you have a good day.